Hey, what's up everybody, this is Vincent CTK. Today I have a very exciting one, which a lot of you guys leave me a comment after I did a review on the BlackShark 3 Pro. Yep, you guessed it, it's another gaming phone, the redmagic 5G. I will also do a side-by-side comparison with the BlackShark 3 Pro in a separate video. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned and make sure you have subscribed to my channel, hit the bell icon, and also follow me on my Instagram so you won't miss any of my videos. With no further ado, let's unbox this phone. Unfortunately, the phone has been unboxed by the custom, but I will still try my best to give you guys the first unboxing experience. First thing you will see is the phone itself. You will find a 55-watt charging brick, a C2C charging cable in red, a hard shell case, some paperwork, user menu, and a SIM tool, and that's about it. Let's put on the case and see how it looks like. I think the case looks pretty nice. It does give the phone some extra protection. As you can see, it covers all the corners, and the case also is a joystick connector, so you can attach the joystick just like a Nintendo Switch. At the front you will have a 144Hz 6.65-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, the highest refresh rate display in the smartphone market right now. On the right hand side you will find a volume rocker alongside with the power button, a capacitive touch shoulder button, and a fan intake grill. Yes, a fan is built into this phone alongside with the liquid cooling to help the phone stay nice and cool, as thermal is very important for gaming and performance. On the left hand side you will see a dedicated game mode switch, a 7-pin connectors for charging and further accessories, and a fan exhaust grill. At the bottom you will see a speaker grill, a Type-C port, and a dual SIM card tray. At the top there is not much going on, just a good old headphone jack. Jump over to the back, you will find a triple camera setup, a 64 megapixel from Sony as a main camera, a 8 megapixel ultra wide, and a 2 megapixel macro camera. Right at the center is the redmagic logo, also act as a RGB indicator light. Right below that is the redmagic badge, also act as a indicator light but only glows red. So this phone is a top of the line gaming phone, which means flagship specs is expected. A Snapdragon 865, 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM, 128GB of USF 3.0 storage. You can pump up to a 12 plus 256 if you wanted to. Also, it has packed in a 4500 mAh battery inside. Yes, it does have flagship specs, but it doesn't come with a flagship price tag. The base model only costs just below $600. So I think it's a pretty good deal for what you are getting, but there's still a few things missing from a flagship. No water resistant, no wireless charging. Initially the phone feels solid in my hand, isn't too big or too small, very comfortable to hold on to. Build quality is great, metal frame all around, glass at the front and the back. Definitely don't feel cheap at all. The display is absolutely fantastic, even though it's just a 1080p panel. The colors are sharp and vibrant. Color accuracy is very good, covers 100% of the DCI-P3 color gamut. Brightness up to 600 nits. The 144Hz refresh rate, you can still notice the difference compared to 90Hz, but it's very subtle. This display has absolutely blown my mind. I do not expect a 1080p panel could be that good. I think it might be better than the BlackShark 3 Pro, but we will find out in my side-by-side comparison video. The speaker is great, stereo front firing, great for watching videos and gaming. It can get very loud as well, maybe too loud sometimes. Overall, great speaker. Alright, let's talk about gaming, as this is the main purpose of this phone. There's a lot of configurations specific for gaming, such as CPU and GPU performance, different colors and sound profiles. Depends on what game you're playing, it can help your performance. For example, to be able to spot out enemy easier by twisting the color profiles, or even you can hear your enemy footstep more easily by twisting the sound profile. There even a aim exists if your gaming skills are bad as mine. Those features definitely helps. Alright, let's run some game and see how it performs. Gaming performance as you expected with this kind of specs. One thing I'm really surprised are the built-in touch shoulder button. It has a very nice groove on it, make it very easy to locate, very responsive. I do not notice any delay or lag. Very good haptic feedback, nice and sharp. Overall gaming experience is fantastic. Oh boy, the real challenger is here. You better be ready, BlackShark. Cameras. Actually, the 64 megapixel main camera wasn't that bad at all, just the software couldn't keep up with it, but still usable. The camera app looks very weird to me. You have to go to the Pro mode for the ultra wide camera. I don't know why it does that, but so far that's the only way I could reach to the ultra wide camera. Selfie are pretty decent, but make sure you have turned off the beauty mode completely. Video recording up to 8K, but I don't think you will use that much, but it always good to know it's there. Overall, I think I will give a 6 out of 10, just pass. Hopefully future software update will fix all that. Mobile gaming are getting more and more serious. That's why a device like this exists, but is it the best one to get right now? We will soon find out in my next video. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram for latest update. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one.